What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live stream, live trading, stocks and futures. Today is Monday, January 12th, 2026. Finna go and get in these charts, y'all already know. So before we do, let's go ahead and get our prayer in and start this week off and get right. Y'all bow your heads. Dear Lord, we come to you just saying thank you once again, Lord. Thank you for another day uh, to be able to just be on earth. Thank you for your blessings that you continue to do for us, your protection that you had for us over this weekend, allow us to be able to enter into a new week. I want to thank you for continuing to watch over our family and loved ones day in and day out. We ask for forgiveness of any sins that we committed, Lord. We repent right now, Lord, in the name of Jesus. We ask for cleansing. We ask for washing. We ask for change. Strengthen us in areas that we may be having difficulties to overcome and make them changes in. We know that we can't do nothing without you, Lord, and make sure all things are going according to your will and your plan, Lord. As we enter this week and as we close this week, we ask for your guidance, your healing, and your Holy Spirit to fill us, Lord. Give us the correct visions to make the right trades. Let us be bold enough to execute the right trades and um, not have too much ego and be humble enough to exit when we need to, Lord. I want to thank you for today and ask for you to continue to be our guide on this path. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right, let's get into it. Really ain't much to say other than let's get to trading. Economic news wise, we only got one news event today. I think it was at 9 a.m. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Let me pull it up for myself. I think we only got one news event. No, it's at noon. The 10-year note auction is at noon. So really ain't got nothing in the way today. Other than it being a Monday and market opening up. Now, looking at the pre-market for SPY, we're above it. We at the top of this daily gap. Want to see what we say? Hey, this is potential entry for longs, but we need to see an uptrend forming above it. Looking at the hourly, what we see, we got high, low, need a higher high. We'll be able to enter in them longs. We have to first take it up to the top of this gap at 691.55, and then see if market can keep pushing past there to keep us in these longs. Okay, let me mark up that gap real quick for y'all. And then we do got another hourly gap sitting right here. I think after that we don't have none until we get up here. 92, we do got 192, but it's super small. So I'm gonna mark the bigger one. We got higher high, low, higher high. So this is our last hourly solidified level. At 187. I mean 687.49. If we break it, we don't want to look for them loans anymore. And it's also our daily level too. So we definitely don't want to see no loans if we break it. All right, going to M and Q. Looking at M and Q, we're sitting right at this daily gap. We can hold above. Want to look for them loans up to 25,795. So 25,795. Or if we push below, of course we look for them potential shorts. But I do see a daily gap here, so we do got a daily gap in the gap. Oh, I'll be saying about M and Q and QQQ. They be having so many gaps. I ain't even see this last night. So we're gonna mark that out. I don't even know if I would want the shorts right at the bottom now, just because of that daily gap right there. We had to be below this daily gap for me to want to go in them shorts now. I don't really want it above it. So this is what I'm looking for. To get a short underneath, you can take it down to the bottom. And like I said, the longs I want the longs above 735, 75. Shorts below 706, 75. Okay. We do got an hourly gap sitting here. We got an hourly gap sitting there. We ain't gonna mark too many gaps up, cause I don't like having all these gaps in the way. Probably mark just as hourly, and then that's the last one we're gonna mark overlapping. Like we said, the longs above here. Get an uptrend going. Take the longs up to 790. So right now, ain't really nothing giving us nothing currently. MYM. We got 2 minutes for the market open also. MYM got a higher high, low. It's potentially going to be our new higher low, but currently it's red. So we need that 1 hour to start switching back bullish before we can start trying to go long. 1 hour must go bullish before we can start trying to go back long. So we at least need to make this higher high. Or some type of higher high. To go long. High, low, high, low. That was that higher high. Made this uptrend. It's sitting up in here. So we just chilling, man. We chilling right now. I just know SPY look bullish, potentially, and M and Q potentially look like it's trying to go bullish. Alright, I think we're about to open. We just made a high. Dang, I missed the entry. Missed the entry, but it's fine. Definitely missed the entry. That's fine. It literally did it 1 minute before market open. Can't do nothing about that. Market is pushed up. Let's go look at NVIDIA because it just hit alert. Oh, the push to the upside. I ain't really gonna mess with that right now. Hey man, they literally pushed the first minute. I ain't even get a chance to get in. Now we're trying to see how it's gonna react to this daily gap right here. So we're gonna keep holding above, or what we gonna do? Pushing. Dang, they ain't gonna give us no entries. It's gonna go on the 1 minute candles. God dang, we ain't get no type of interest. Come on, man. Literally. First 1 minute candle went straight to the daily. What's that? 50 ticks on the first 1 minute candle. Oh, 50 points, my bad. 50 points. So that's 100 ticks. Second one already closing inside this gap. We might get one. Dang, oh my freaking good. I was about to get in a scalp to the top, see if we can get to the top of the gap. But God, leave these 1 minute candles shooting up crazy. Like literally ain't getting no shot at all. I'm not taking it. It's too high up to the top of the gap now. I'm not taking it. Dang, man, they literally give no opportunity to get in. These first two candles just shut up instantly. Just can't do nothing. Man, can't do nothing about it. Mm-mm-mm. We knew what we wanted. We was looking for the uptrends above here. It just shot straight up. So we just missed out on that trade. NYM coming down, so we not looking for NYM right now. It's still coming down. We just gonna chill, wait on NYM, do what it does. Let's look at the higher time frame for MNQ. Sitting inside his hourly gap. Got an hourly gap here. Mm. 5 minute, just green. We got 5 minute gap sitting here. See what we gonna hold above it. It's crazy. First candle went up basically 100 points, man. That's crazy. Literally within less than 5 minutes. The first 3 minutes went up 100 points. That's crazy. You didn't get no type of time to enter in or potential entries. All right, we closed above it slightly. I do kind of want to take a long, but I don't like that it closed that close. If it shoot up, it just shoot up. But we did close above it slightly. Wish we had some red candles though. Get another close above. I might take a long. See if we can keep running. Really would have liked to see it close past there. Come on, don't tell me we got lag. Oh my goodness, I've been pressed it. Wow, we got bad lag. Come on, man. Really bad lag. Well, let's see if we can keep going. 29 seconds. Ah, come on. Keep pushing. I don't want to see the first red right here. Really don't want to see the first red right here. I want us to keep pushing a little bit more. Alright, getting a nice push. It's lagging so bad. It's crazy. We trailing super tight. Just because it's the initial breakout of the gap, it can pull all the way back down pretty quick. So we trailing tight. Dang this lag. Oh my freaking. Come on. It ain't even set in my positions. Wow. Come on, man. But we caught what about 47 right there? But I'm finna close. I might close this and then reopen it. Maybe that'll help. So let me close that real quick. Trading view. Dang, that lag is horrible, man. I don't know what's going on. Come on. We closing trading view, then I'm gonna start it back up. Y'all give me a second. Cause I gotta log in and everything. Can't have my login information out. But we did catch 47 on that trade. That's a good thing. But it's lagging so bad. Oh, excuse me. Give it a second. Let this load up, and then I'll turn the screen back on. That dang lag, what? Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. I hope we don't miss no dang good trades like last time because of this dang lag. Hopefully market don't really move here. I'm hoping. Okay, you almost missed something. We made some type of lows. We're gonna make a higher high. Then make some type of low. We need a green counter first. I'm gonna set a buy limit if we get this green counter right here. I'm gonna set stop right down there. Or buy stop, my bad. Alright, we're gonna set it. Oh my goodness, bro. Why is it lagging? I can't even see my position. Oh, hold up. My bad. My bad. I'm not connected. Oh, man. When I logged out, I wasn't connected back into my thing. Golly. Dang, bro. Hopefully it reverses. I don't know. They say I gotta log out of what? Log out. Then log in here. Ah, dang, bro. We be having the we be getting the worst look sometimes. Alright, give me a second. Alright, here we go. Now, market did make a lower low. Let's see if it's gonna push back up. I'll go to 5 minute though. 5 minute low all the way down here. But we do got a 5 minute gap. Hopefully the lag gone, y'all. I'm hoping. We hoping at this point. What up, Mel? He said I don't see anything. Okay, I can now. Oh yeah, what up? At the open we didn't get in them MNQ loans. We didn't even get that entry for it. If you look at the 1 minute, it just went straight up. We didn't even get the entry to get in, other than if you got in right here before market open. But we did catch the loans here, Mel. We got about $50 right there on one MNQ loan. We caught it once it got above this daily gap, and that's the only trade we got so far. Just that one MNQ loan. Yeah, that first one. If you look at the 1 minute, literally it just shot straight up. We didn't even get a chance. First one went up 50 points. Second counter went up another 50, almost another 50 points. I mean, second and third counter went up almost another 50 points. So it went up 100 points in 3 minutes. We ain't had no chance to get in. We was looking for it though. When the stream started, we were saying, hey, once we get above this daily gap, right here, we just look for that uptrend. We even went down on the 1 minute just so we won't miss it, but it just happened too fast. We didn't get a chance to get in it. Why the world? Oh no, I'm tripping. I'm thinking this. I'm thinking that was SPY. I said, why I say we open all the way up there, and we just opened down here, but that was for New York session, like for options. But now at this point, what we waiting on is basically an uptrend above this daily gap to potentially take a long. We close back inside it, then we know the short's gonna be in control right then and there. But right now we pretty much looking for an uptrend to start forming. That's what we looking for. My bad, Mel. We only like we said, we only caught this one trade for $50, and that was once we got above here. So right now we made high, low. I mean high, lower, low, higher, high, lower, low again. So on the 1 minute, it's indecisive. 5 minute, we ain't got no structure right now. We just got our first pullback candle. You gonna see how far down it goes. Is it gonna keep us above this daily gap though? And most of the times it's the orange because this is the hourly fair value gap, loving. I'll go over to the side. This hourly gap right here. I just didn't mark the whole gap. So I want to see if we can hold above there, but it don't look like we are. At least right now it don't. Alright, look like we're retesting this daily gap. See if it's gonna hold it and start forming an uptrend. Oh man. And then anybody who's in options, we got exactly what we wanted for SPY. Like we said, we was waiting on this hourly to turn bullish. Look, we got the entry. Literally just hold it now. Seeing if we can potentially go all the way up here. No need to get out. Stop losses all the way down here. I will say bring y'all stop losses up to at least like that 691.36 level. But other than that, just hold it. See if we can get all the way to them highs on SPY. Going back to MNQ. I think MNQ rejecting that daily gap. Let's see. We got a green counter. See what's gonna happen. I think MES all green counters. Let me see. MES 5 minute. Yeah, it's all green counts on MES. M&Q the only one that got the red count. MES just still all green. That make MES do look interesting since it's still fully bullish. Ooh, man. All we waiting on is a trend to be set on uptrend above or a downtrend below that daily gap. Oh, man. Man, you see anything interesting, Mel? So we got high, low. This would be a higher high right here. Getting one by. See if we can start squeezing here. Come on, hold above that hourly level. Want to see a hold above that hourly level. Let me go to that 5 minute real quick. 5 minute look like it's about to close green. This could be good for us. It could be good. See as much squeeze. We need to take this high up here. Come on, take that high. Alright, we took the high. We bring stops up. If it can't close past, oh well, we up. Alright. 16 seconds. If we can't close inside that hourly gap, I'm going to cut it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Alright, I'm about to set stops up here. We got to close in there. Come on. Alright, we closed in there. Nice. Hopefully the pullback don't pull us back out. Hopefully. Just go. We can go straight to the top of that gap. That'll be beautiful. Come on, you right there. There we go. Nice. At the top of the gap. Can we keep holding? Can we keep holding? Can you keep pushing? Can you keep pushing? It might stall out right here, y'all. It might stall out right here. It might stall out right here. Yeah, we out. We out. We out. Took 100. So we up 150 on the day. 2 trades. 150. That's nice. I think we probably start stalling right here, y'all. This might be where we get some consolidation. Unless we can close above that hourly gap right here. Might get some consolidation. Just gotta be on the lookout. It is closing green, so that is hope for us to go back up and retest the high once again. But I'm gonna wait until we get some red candles. Or either we get some red candles or at least close back above this hourly gap at 923. Like I said, we had that was nice $100 move. Really was up like 120, 130, but we was trying to trail the stop. But that was a nice move though. Give it time. Give it time. I think we might push back up though. I don't know. Let's see. Might still keep pushing because look at this spot chart, y'all. Looking at the spot chart is at that hourly level also. So if I want to keep saying bullish, it gotta push up. We gotta push up. We're sitting right at the hourly chart. But it could, like you said, it could very well fail to push, give us some pullback, then try to re-push again past it. I can see that very well happening. So, but we gotta see, man. We gotta see. What do it wants to do? It did close below. If it make a downtrend, I know we pull them. It's a pullback, especially if this next counter close red below that previous. Uh-oh, if we pushing back inside, might be trying to go up, man. Might be trying to go up. MYM alert came out. Let's see what MYM doing. Oh, MYM pushed back up. It came down at the beginning, but it came all the way back up. Let's look at the higher time frame. All right, we said we wanted loans above either one of these gaps. We did miss this one. Well, it didn't even give us an uptrend, so we technically didn't miss it. It just pushed straight up. This one, we're above it, but we need an uptrend to form. We are above it, but we need an uptrend to form on NYM. We got this higher high for the hourly, so the hourly made a higher high. This might be the push for NYM. Hold up. See something. It might be the push for NYM, y'all. Got the break. Can we stay above? This might be the push for NYM. Let's see what this counter finna do. This might just be the push for NYM. Give it a second. I said, see what NYM gonna do. Alright, we closed above. Hold up. Hey, can make this uptrend above it. Just made a higher high, but I want this to close green first before I get in. Hopefully it don't just push too hard. Come on, slow down, man. You ain't gotta push that hard. God, come on, bro. I just want you to barely close green so I can set it, actually get in off a green counter. See, because if it don't close green, it can very well come all the way back down. Come on, close green. Stay close to here, but close green. We do got 5 minutes for the hour. Y'all know I don't like getting in right before the hour. I like to wait till the hour, but we might take it. NYM is smaller, so we can take a chance. Like I said, we up 150 on them previous trades, so and the stop is super tight, so if it stop us out, we probably lose $10, something like that. Alright. Let me go to 5 minute, see for potential 5 minute targets. We got a gap here. Got a gap here. Top of that gap. I'll probably be aiming for this high right here. Cause them gaps too close, so I'm probably aiming for this high first. Them gaps too close. Look at the hourly. Yeah, that'd be right where the hourly gap is. So I think our target, where I'm aiming at, should be good if we can hold this uptrend. If we come back, make this lower low though. It is what it is. Like we said, it only lose probably like $12 on that trade. We done made plenty enough already for the day. Okay, we got a green counter. Come on, see if we can get a little extra $20, $30. All we need is $50 more to hit our profit target for the day. Just need $50 more. That's it. Oh my goodness, y'all! Walmart exploded. I'm gonna show y'all after we get done with this MIM. Walmart went crazy. Well, now I can show y'all now because MIM taking its time. Man, Walmart went up to 117 in the pre-market. Crazy, crazy. It just gapped up all the way up there. Crazy, crazy. Walmart went stupid. Now it's making a new potential low. Uh, potential higher low. My bad. Potential higher low. I ain't gonna lie. First green candle might be the play. Get in on the first green candle on Walmart. Oh, our MYM trade look like we winning. Oh, we up. I'm gonna say we up. I gonna say we winning. I slick want to hold it further, but this dang hourly gap kind of got me like, I don't know. But we could very well just hit it and drop. If I had more than one contract, actually, that's what I might do. Let's add one more. Sell one when we get there, and then we're gonna let the other one see if we can keep running. Add one there. Let's see if the other one can keep running. Come on. Go on for target one. So we can sell at least one of them. Might should add two. If we can get a red counter here, I think I'm gonna add two. Or if we close above this high. Alright, let me add one more, and I'm gonna sell two here. We'll sell two there, and then let one run. This hourly is about to close, so we gotta be a little. This volatility might come quick after this hourly close. It could drop hard or go up real fast. So it gotta be on the P's and Q's. I'm put 3 in case we just drop and break my trend. Put 3 for the stop down there if we don't go straight up. Don't give us the red counter right now. Give us the green counter. Come on. I did not want the red counter right before the hour. Oh, no. We probably can get stopped. Come on, push straight up. Push straight up. Probably can get stopped because of that red counter. That's why I don't like getting in off right when the hour about to close. They be doing some funny stuff sometimes. We can get this green counter and come take this high. We should be good. We can get a green counter and take the high. We should be good. It should go to our target. But we're trying to see, can we get the green counter? And can we take the high without taking this low? Come on, man. Push up. Turn green at least. Green at least give us some hope. Green at least give us some hope. Red, but we in looking crazy. Come on, man. Come on, man. Close green, close green. No, that wasn't green. Come on. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get the green now. Two reds. Oof. Gotta see, man. I don't know if we're getting that green. I think we might get stopped out here, y'all. It's a chance, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It is a chance though. Just gonna let this stop loss at this solidify level be the only thing we protected on. Yes, it is the 1 minute though. So that's the only reason I don't like it, cause not having that green counter and we on the 1 minute, that must come straight down. Come on, man. Give us a push. Give us a push. MYM. 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 We just need to take this high. That's all I need. Take this high, and I think we go there. I think we gonna get it. Take that high. I think we gonna get it, y'all. It made this lower low. I think we getting stopped out. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push up. Look like we getting stopped out. Yeah, we out. Dang, that last 1 hour red threw it off. We was almost to target. It's alright though. We ain't worrying about it. Let's go back to our MQs. So now we only up 100 on the day. After losing that. I do got 5-minute gap here. Let's see what it's trying to do. 5-minute gap sitting there. It is pushing down into it. It closed inside. We just close this. Alright, we can close that, I think. 5-minute. Let's go to the hour. Let's see what the hourly did. Hourly tapped it. Failed to close inside. Pretty much just waiting on the hourly. I mean, lower time frame to turn back bullish. Well, lower time frame to turn back bullish. Chilling. MIM get on my freaking nerves. It probably kicked us out and finna go straight up there now. Without even after making the low, it's gonna probably make low and high instantly. Let's see. If it does that, they childish, they do that. Make a low, then make a high instantly. We're getting a red counter for the 5-minute. Red counter for the 5-minute. Let's see what's going on. It's gonna be a new higher low. I think it probably. Let me see. Did it close back in that 5-minute gap? It did. Oh, I think we finna go up. I think we about to go up. I want to grab a long. But I really want us to close back above that 5-minute gap first. I think we probably finna go up, y'all. We can get back above this 5-minute gap. Alright, about to go up. Okay, MIM. MIM got his red counter. Mel, you seeing anything? You get any trades? I think I'm about to grab a loan, y'all. I'm trying to wait on the uptrend to form though, or at least uptrend or close back above this gap. That was a nice green counter right there. I ain't gonna code. Oh, you got on gold up 300? Oh, that's what's up, man. You got in gold longs or shorts? Gold pushing, yeah, gold pushing pretty. Gold actually looking decent. High, low, high. But that's for 1 minute. Let me look on the 5 minute. 5 minute gold got high, low. Boom. Oh, this is the initial break on gold. I think we should probably gonna go up there to the next target. Let's see. 15 high. 1 hour. Looking. Gold actually looking decent. Did take that 1 minute high there. You might have that 1 minute high. Back to the M&Q. I think I like gold here. See what gold can run. Soon it hit 10, we gonna move stop up. Oh, you in loans? Yeah, I like them loans, Mel. What you aiming for? Cause I can see gold going up to these highs up here at 6:30. I did get in kind of late though. I think off of red, I might just jump out. Give it a second. What you aiming for, Mel? That's a nice target. I like that target. That's the same spot I'm looking at. That 631 level. Especially if you can get you a some higher lows. Let me check the M&Q out real quick. Cause we probably nah, we ain't miss it. We ain't miss it. Did it close green? It did close green. Uh-oh. Might be M&Q time to go up. Let me go back to gold real quick. It might be M&Q time to go up though. Come on, man. I'm trying to bring my stop up. It take this high, we're gonna bring stop up. Really wanted to close pass. Oh, come on, man. It was so close. Probably gonna get stopped out here. We're gonna see if it can push or not. I was trying to set it once it took this dang high, but it rejected at the high. Go look at that M&Q real quick. Let that go marinate. Hello. I like M&Q longs here. Alright, we up on the M&Q. Look like we up on gold too, but I can't switch right now. Yeah, we up on the gold. Alright, we took that high. There we go. Close past the highs. Come on. Alright, we close past. I'm gonna set stop in the profit. We might get stopped out soon because we did bring our stop kind of close, but I'm trying to look at this M&Q trade. Come on, M&Q. Stay up in there now. Y'all playing. Ah, come on, come on, come on, come on. We probably gotta wait till the M&Q one out, y'all. Alright, gotta wait this M&Q one out. Ain't M&Q, why you couldn't stay up inside the gap, man? Ain't 5 minutes. Our true stop loss will be down here, but I'm trying to see if we can get this squeeze. If we close back in there, probably gotta bring that stop down there. Or I can just cut it and take like $5 loss and get back in. Do I want to cut it or do I want to leave it? Cause I think it's finna come sweep these lows. Potentially, if it don't come on push up. Let's bring it down where it's supposed to be at. But I'm gonna bring it back up if we can get back outside this 5 minute gap. And we got kicked out our gold, so we only took like $12. It's better than nothing though. We was trying to hold it to that same target Mel looking for, but we got in extra late, so I ain't sweating it. Come on, man, push up back inside that gap. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. God dang. All right, we getting a nice push. There we go. Come on, close up there, man. Now, y'all better go up. Now, good playing. Now, go up. Try and set this stop at the bottom. Get. Oh my freaking goodness. Come on. I'm gonna set it. I don't care. Y'all ain't finna. We ain't finna get sitting in this consolidation. Nope. I took my little 27. I'm not getting stuck in no consolidation. I'm sorry. Because if you ain't trying to push straight up to the gap, I don't want you. All right, we might grab another one if we can take this high. Let's see. Yeah, still hold yours, Mel, because you got a good entry. You was in it for a good time. Like I said, I like how the 5 minute, I like how the 15-minute look, and the 1 hour. All that look good to get up to 631. Or I said 630. 631 should be same thing. Hold yours, Mel. I say hold it. It'd be a nice $400-500 day for you. Make that $400-500. Oh, we close back inside. Uh-oh. Man, they out here playing games, bro. M&Q playing games, man. Because it's finna push probably. Oh, snap. And it took the high. Let's wait. See if it close green first. Let's wait. I almost pressed ball by. I think if it re-come get this high, it's probably gonna shoot up again. I think that's what's gonna happen. If we come re-get that high, we're gonna go up. Come on, bro. Did we retake that high? I can't even tell. I'm gonna wait. Ooh, good thing we waited, cause that mud definitely came back down and closing back out. Good thing we waited to see if we got a green count, boy. He said I moved my slot loss up to the profit. LOL. Where you brought your? I said, oh, you got stopped out at 3:30. Oh, okay, I got you. Hey, that ain't nothing wrong with it, man. 3:30. Even if you got stopped out, it's fine, bro. I mean, take your money. You will always get back in a smaller one and get your little $70 or something. Take your money. You seen what I did? Shoot, I said I ain't finna get stuck in no consolidation right here, and I said that stop right up here. I said bump it, we getting out if it come down. So we got out. I said I ain't even finna play with no consolidation. I'm gonna take my money. So ain't nothing wrong with that, man. Good job. I commend you on that. Good job. Take your money, cause a lot of people they want to move that stop loss up. That money come all the way back down. They just sit in that trade for a whole hour for no reason. Like heck no. I'm gonna get something off my trade. At least something. You say I should have added one more con. Yeah, you could have. That's another thing. If you was like, say 200 was your max you was looking for the day, and you up three, almost four, you could have like right when that 300 came, you could have added one more. Cause even if it pulled back, you still would have made more than what you wanted. And you could have let one run. You could have took bread, took money, and when it got to three, I mean, you could have got added one more at like 250. When it got to like 350, sold your original positions, and then just hold that last one. But it's fine though, cause that is a little bit difficult, especially if you kind of new trading. To be able to do that, it's kind of difficult to pull it off. Cause more times than not, you're gonna end up cutting into your profits you had. All right, we might push up here, y'all. We might be pushing up here for M&Q. Uh-oh. We might be getting it pushed. Push right back above here. This might be that push on M&Q, y'all. 2:15 minutes. Let's see. I'm closing back inside. It's still be that push. I think it's gonna be the push, y'all. I think we're gonna close back inside this hourly gap. I probably should have been bought one. Should have been bought alone. Let's go along. I think we finna take these highs. See if we can keep going though. Stop. Come on, go take them highs. We ain't got time to play this consolidation, bruh. Come on, bruh. Y'all here love consolidating. Go take them highs. Emma trying to consolidate. We ain't trying to do that, bruh. Come on. Alright, took the highs. I gotta bring stop up. Come on, come on, come on. You need to close past so I can bring stop up. Close past the highs so we can bring stop up. It took the highs, but we need to close past the highs. Oh, well, I'm gonna keep stop down here then. Oh, well. We're gonna keep stop down there until we close past it. Cause we gotta close past this high for me to move my stop up. Like, if we lose this trade, we calling it for the day though, cause we're gonna walk away with at least 120 on the day. We ain't finna play no game. Come on, good push now. What we looking for though? We're looking for this 5 minute to close green. So then that make us higher high. We been uptrend. We should go to the top of this gap at that point. Should go to the top of the gap. And that close above this line kind of give me more of that confidence that we're gonna go and close, get to the top of the gap. So I'm trying to see us close above the dang line. Come on. Close above the line. Alright, we up. Come on, need to close past the line or go touch the other side. One and two. I can't move the stop loss up until we do one of the two. I'm sorry. Need to touch the other side or close above the line. Nope, we don't need no rejection. We're gonna have to wait. Just gotta wait. We gotta wait. Now this could be where it can reverse it right here, but I'm kind of leaning towards the bull side, so I'm thinking we want to push past. Come on, close past, bro. Close past. Now that closed right on it. Come on, it closed underneath. Yeah, they playing games now. They closed inches underneath. Look at that. But it's alright. We still gonna hold. Still gonna hold. Like I said, this probably what we don't make this trade. We cut. And another way to make me cut this trade, we close back below on the 5 minute right here. I really want this 5 minute candle either close red inside or it gotta close green. One or two. Close underneath this orange line on the 5 minute. We gotta cut it. We gotta cut it. Come on, man, push up. You know you want to get to the top of the gap. I don't know why you playing. All right, we gotta close pass. Thank you. Now touch the top of the gap so I can set this stop loss right here. Come on, touch it, touch it, touch it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna set it the last couple seconds. All right, we touched it. I'm setting it. Up 45. We're gonna move it right here. Come on, can we keep squeezing? Can we keep squeezing? Just keep squeezing, man. Need to close above the dang gap. It's too much time. They can come all the way back down and kick me out, bro. I'm only gonna get 20 some dollars. God dang, bro. It's too much time. I knew it was too much time. Push up, push up, push up. Push up, push up, push up. 11 seconds. I'm gonna set it right there. Push up, bro. Push up. We at least gonna take almost about 27, 25. No. Ah, dang. Now it probably still go back up there. Dang, bro. There was too much time on that counter, bro. That was way too much time. I still think we probably could get a chance to push it back up there though. Unless we could just drop hard, but God dang, bruh. Hey, at least we caught almost 30 right there. We getting you. We catching $100, $40, $50. We catching them little plays, but dang, we trying to do that one trade run. That's what we trying to do, like my boy Mel. The dang M&Q being a little choppy though. Yeah, I was thinking it still was gonna end up pushing up. It's fine. Can't do nothing about it. Can't do nothing about it. It just barely kicked us out and then went on back up. Now it's finna come retest this here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I mean test it. I ain't say retest. I mean to say retest. Probably finna come test this hourly gap. Let's go to the 5 minute because it feel like we've been moving up too long, but if you look at it, we've been having our pullback, so it's been slowly moving up. It just for some reason to me, it just feel like we've been pushing up too hard. I think because that first 3 minutes that pushed up real hard kind of made it feel like we over pushed and like extended, I guess you could say. Where after that, for them first 3 minute candles, them first three 1 minute candles, kind of been slowly grinding our way up, slowly grinding our way up. All right. But like I said, we've been catching these. We caught it this long here, this long here, this long here. And we caught all four of them other movements to the other side. It's kind of slow grinding its way up though. All right, what you want to do? It failed to make that uptrend on the 1 minute above this hourly gap. Uh, right now it did by closing back inside. We want to see if this uptrend gonna form back above this hourly gap or not, or is we gonna come back down and and come do more of a pullback. Right now we close back inside it, so right now we failed. We gotta wait and see if we can get back above it or not, because we had the break. Retest failed when it closed inside. Now we need another break. Retest, try again, then come up here to the next gap. But right now it failed for the shorts. Honestly, maybe you could look for, since we got the break to the downside, retest of this top of this hourly, and then continue to go down to the bottom of the gap. Or when it breaks the bottom of the gap, break retest, take it down to this hourly gap down here. This 5-minute gap, we don't need this 5-minute gap right now, I don't think. Then we already break and retested. We had to break. Yeah, we broke and retested this 5-minute gap. We don't need that. We don't need that right now. That mother Mel said, go hit that level. Yeah, it just took that high. Yeah, it just took that high. Go hourly. Got 30 minutes though, but the hourly do look nice for potential longs for continuation to the upside. We can break this high at 630. If we can stay above 630, that 630.8, we can stay above it. Gold definitely look nice for them longs for that continuation. So let's mark that out. Hourly. Let's put an alert closing up. I want bar close. Oh my bad, bar close. Looking nice for them potential longs. But we gotta have that uptrend forming above it. That's the biggest thing. Need that uptrend forming above. Right now we rejected it. But gold did hit the target we was talking about though. We did say 630 was the target and it hit it. So gold definitely did what it needed to do. I think MNQ, we trying to see what you trying to do. Now Mike, it's already 9:30. We probably finna get ready to call it, y'all. Probably get ready to call it. Pretty much made what we needed for the day. So I might give y'all to 10. I don't know. Let me see. Might get ready to call it. It's gold. Let me go look at gold. I got gold up on the other chart. Do got this higher high, higher low. Potentially new higher high right here. If y'all looking for gold loans, this could be a potential early entry. Once we make this higher high, stop loss right there, you can have a real tight stop loss. See if we can stop doing that base above there. That could be a nice entry. Let me check the 5-minute on gold also though, because you would rather have your stop loss on the 5-minute or higher. We got high, low. This is the higher high, so this what's this low? 619 will be a nice stop. Especially, but if I'm y'all, I'll wait until we get a 5-minute close above 630. Either 5-minute close above there, or like I said, on that 1-minute uptrend above it, and then stop down there. You can hold it and see how we want to go then at that point. Yeah. But other than that, I'm more leaning towards waiting on that hourly. Give me 1 second. I just got a text. All right. Oh, y'all might get me on here for a little while then. Man, I got a text. But yeah, gold do look potentially good to keep squeezing. It's just the only thing, you don't know how far we going up, honestly. Sitting at them all-time highs, you don't know how far it's gonna push. That's the thing. We already pushed significantly past this previous day high. So that's the only thing about gold. Oh man. What I was about to say, oh, and if y'all was in the stream yet last night, yesterday was Sunday. This where we was looking for them gold loans. We said once it break this high at that 612 basically, we was looking for the loan up. I said possibly up to what I said, to like 640s. We down there at them 640s. And I was just guessing the area. So that was a good educated guess. My bad. God dang. I'm messing up my words. I'm gonna look at that M&Q. Cause we showed abandoned it looking at this code. Alright, M&Q look like it made a lower low. Did it make a lower low? It got close. Close. Check the hourly out. Hourly, like it's trying to get turned red, but we still got a lot of time, so gotta give it a second. Check out this dang MIM. Did we finally get a dang uptrend? Let's see. But it dang hourly. Nope, not yet. We finna break back above. We need an uptrend, but it's dang hourly. We still ain't get it. Still ain't get the. We do got an uptrend here, but it ain't above the hourly though. That's the thing. Cause I definitely look for the NYM potentially. Ain't that higher? MIM, what you trying to do, man? What you trying to do? Took this high? Is it closing past? But it is a 1 minute gap sitting right there though. Did it close past the 5 minute? I can't even tell. You got in gold again, Mel? You said you got back in gold? Oh, gold gave us that 5 minute closure, but that I was telling you about. I said you can get in on that 5 minute green close above. Stop loss down here. And just let it ride. See how far I want to go. Yeah. It's closing green here. We probably just ride it about $10 if we can get out of it. Let's see if it's closing green here. Look like we are. Let me move this. That's all in the way. Hopefully we don't get a hard pullback here. Just gonna let it keep riding to the other side. Really don't want to see that get tapped. We close past that previous high. I like adding one more. Alright, when they take this high, we're gonna set stop at the bottom of this candle. We're gonna take that high. Alright, we took that high. We're gonna set at the bottom of the candle body. If it kick us out, kick us out. Actually, let's put 1. So we get kicked out of 1. Alright, we out 1. We are holding 1 still. We out one, holding one. See if we can close past that high though. That's what I'm trying to see. Don't reverse now. Here we go. It's gonna be reversing. Just let this be a pullback. I stopped literally at that 630, 630.8. I ain't really trying to look for no retest of that. Or should we put it at the low? I really don't want no retest of 638. I really wanted to just keep going, but it might be trying to retest it. We on that 5 minute right now. Really want this 5 minute close above this high. But that red counter don't indicate it right now. Come on, we need a green counter push back above. Green counter push back above. Gold, is you run out of steam or you still going, man? What you gonna do, Gold? Is you running out of steam or you still going? Alright, give it a second. Gonna let this wick down. Oh, it wicked too far. If it push up, we're gonna set it right on that level. It did wick down too far for us though. We didn't like that wick. Did not like that wick. Push up, push up. If it flip green, we saying stop right here, break even. If it flip green. Well, it did push up, but it ain't. It went so fast we didn't even get to see it turn green. All right, I'm setting it. It is a little soon. We got 20 seconds though. We gotta stop at like $1, $2. I want to see this high get taken. Keep going, keep going. Go take that high. We're gonna set on this counter body. Set on this counter body. We take that high. We're gonna set at the bottom of that counter that breaks it. Come on, take that high. So we can set at the bottom of that counter that break. All right, took the high. Give it a second, because it might try to clear this gap up. Uh-oh. Time to get out. Take 13. Dang, I was seeing if it was gonna clear that gap, and then we keep pushing higher, but it reversing. It's reversing. We took our money and got off. Oh, we got about what, $22 right there. The first one we was in, we took the long. The second one we took the long. He said, "What time does the market close?" 3 p.m. 5. Nah, it closed at like 4:30. 4:30. I think it closed at 4:30, then reopened at 5:30. Dang, we got out a good time. That mother definitely came back down. That was a nice trade we got. Shout out to our boy Mel telling us to look at gold again. Yeah, it was a nice little trade we got right there. Nice little scalp. Look at M&Q. M&Q really ain't doing nothing crazy. It made a lower low. Oh, it made a lower low right there on the 5 minute. See what it's gonna do. Is it gonna switch to a downtrend, or is we finna start pushing back up? The market is chilling right now. That boy Mel went crazy. Got that 430 on the day. Walmart, bro. We literally said Walmart to 117, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. And it really would past it in the pre-market. Like, imagine this mother opened up here, bro. We would have made some bread on. I mean, of course, still made some bread just going to 117, but god dang. Definitely would have made some bread if it opened up at 120. They ain't want to give folks all of that. They said they couldn't do all of that. Crazy. At Walmart, man, we've been calling that Walmart this whole time. See what NYM doing. Oh, NYM done pushed up on us. It snuck its way up. It snuck its way up. NYM, you dirty. You dirty, NYM. It snuck its way up on us. Is this gonna be a high? We gonna get a long here. We take this high. Take a long. Did it? Dang! Did I put it on the high? We didn't even take the high. I put it one tick too low. Hopefully we take this dang high now. I put it one tick too low. Ah, dang. Come on, NYM. Push up, take that dang high. Ah, dang. We finna have to get out. I put it one tick too low. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cause this was supposed to be my stop. I put it one tick too low. Oh my goodness. That's my fault. That was my fault. I take the blame on that little quick loss because I ain't pinpoint my dang entry. That was my fault, y'all. That's my fault. Still sitting there though. We still sitting there, but I ain't NYM. But we won it with a green counter, so you know what? We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. NYM get on my dang nerve. It was one tick away. They could have pushed up right then and there. Now that's some crazy stuff right there, bro. One tick. I ain't never seen that boy do that. Come on, take the high with a green counter. We getting these loans. Look, now I take the high. Stop down here. Let's see if we can get all the way up to the top of that gap right here. We're gonna sell two off. Sell two off up here. And hold one. Sell two, hold one. Come on, go take no highs. If it pull back, we're gonna add some more. If it pull back, we add more. If it come to this break even spot, we're gonna add some more. We gonna add some more if it come back. Alright, Mel. Have a good one, boy. Hey, but I'm proud of you. 430 on the day. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Push up. Either push up or give us another entry. Alright, we look like we about to get another entry. I'm gonna grab one right here. And now we setting three. For that. Okay. And then I guess one can sit up here. Set one up here. In case it just spike all the way up. And we might call it. We might do like my boy Mel and call it after this trade. So NYM, you need to hold together now. Quit playing. Go on up there to the target, bro. Quit playing games so we can go and call it for the day. NYM. NYM. Go on hit the target. Quit playing these games so we can call it for the day. Come on, alright. You playing game now. You right there. Alright, you just made a higher high. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my, boy, if y'all don't, I'm about to say, Oh, what? Bruh, we gotta cut. We gotta cut. Why y'all ain't say nothing? Bruh, why y'all didn't say nothing? This whole time y'all let me sit here and have buy orders right there. I thought I dang put sales. Yeah, dang. I was gonna let a runner go and everything, y'all. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all set me up right there. Y'all could have said something. Ain't nobody in the chat said I had dang buy orders right there. I wanted to hold a runner to the top. I was trying to sell 3 right there, and we added 3. I said, "Oh heck no!" So I had to cut it. We just had to take that money right there, cause I was not finna let it pull back with no 7 MYMs. Dang, bro, y'all could have said something. Now that's crazy. Y'all could have said something. Y'all could say, "Hey, you got buys right here." I wasn't trying to add more. I wasn't trying to add 3. I was trying to cut 3 and take our money and let one run to the top. Y'all could have said something, bro. All these folks. We have what, 6 people in here. Y'all could have told me. Dang. Y'all finna set me up, cause that mother would have wicked and tapped it and shot down, boy. Probably been down like 140, something like that. Whew, yeah, we calling it today. We almost made a bad mistake. Good thing we didn't though. Almost made a bad mistake right there. But we gonna call it. Y'all have a good one.